Look at that! Can't stop it. Oh, he got you. Yeah. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm prepping from tonight for tomorrow. Supposed to link up with a brethren from Canada, Zak. He's actually a fishing guide up there in Canada. So he's in Jamaica for the first time, and him basically would like to experience what it is like. So him the link me and say more go out there and see if him can catch a barracuda. So I'm gonna come and link me out there. Yeah, so I could see big day for the channel tomorrow. Another link up with somebody who is not from Jamaica. So hopefully we can go out there and him can get to experience what it is like out here. He would really love to catch a barracuda, because he's always talking about, or he's always asking me about barracuda. What's the best lure to get, what's the best bait and stuff like that, best color. So yeah, I'm looking forward to linking up with Zak tomorrow. So yeah, just there I go and prep. Quick rundown. These are my leaders that I'll be using. A swivel, hook, line. These me use to pull me when I tie my FG knot. Use these to pull on the line to tighten the knot. Some sinker, some more sinker, some beads, 9-foot rod. Use this for regular fishing, live bait fishing, permit fishing, casting, light casting, heavier casting, and another 10-foot rod we may use for live bait fishing or permit fishing, just the same. Some stinky shoes down here, so out here for about a week. Them shoes there always outside, cause every time I go out fishing them wet up, so them always outside. Always carry more than one of them with me when I go fishing. One for when I'm fishing and one for when I'm done fishing. No wet up shoes in my car. Them leader lines. This is 60 pound. 60 pound for my casting, heavier casting. 20 pound for my lighter casting. 30 pound and 50 pound. These two me use when I use permit fishing or live bait fishing. If I do fishing in a very rocky area, reefy area, I might use the 50 pound. If I'm fishing live bait on not so rocky, 30 pound. I haven't used this one in a long time, the 50 pound braid or 50 pound mana filament. So yeah, I've been using a lot more of the 30 pound. It's almost finished now, so I'm gonna get another one. But this 30 pound line has been serving me very well. Some swivel, 200 pound, my hooks. So yeah, beast. Woo. Huge reel. Look at this reel compared to all of the other ones. Huge. That's some 100 pound braid upon that. Never carry that out with me, so you guys have never really seen that. So yeah, of that if you go with one at a time, me carry it out with the big poppers I have. So yeah, just a prep from tonight, so that means to set tomorrow morning when time I'm ready for go. We can go out and hopefully Zak can catch something, catch a barracuda, which that's what he's actually looking forward to. But if we don't catch no barracuda, I'll try to see if I can get some live bait, or I'm gonna just travel with some soldier crab tomorrow, and then we can go look some permit if the conditions are right. Cause like I normally say, permit kinda like the choppy water. So if the water kinda choppy tomorrow, see if we can go up on the reef and then can get a permit. But yeah, I could see. So catch you guys tomorrow morning.
them.
Hartman Adventures at them, man. Yes, my people, yes, man. What's going on again? Straight again with Hartman Adventures, man. And another early morning fishing adventure. Here with my brethren Zak.
What's up, boys?
Yeah, man.
Wagwan.
Here with Zak. Zak is from Canada. We're going to do a little bit of lure fishing this morning. So, let's see if we can catch anything. Yeah, man. Hopefully Zak can get a barracuda or something else, anything else. But yeah, reach out to early in the morning, see me, so stay tuned and make us see if we can get anything. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Lizard fish.
Lizard fish.
Yeah.
That's different. That's your favorite lure too.
Yeah. I tell you, I rarely go out with it and don't catch anything.
And don't catch something.
Crazy mouth.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of teeth.
A lot of teeth.
Careful.
Even the tongue has teeth.
Yeah, very careful.
Do you eat those?
Yeah, I do eat.
Yeah, they
You want to taste it? Want me to cook it?
Sure.
I roast it up
looks
on
like
the
a
fire.
little aquarium fish.
Yeah. They're a bit bony, but
Yeah.
I'll make a fire shortly and put it on there. Yes, guys. Little gunman strike again. Yeah. One lizard fish. Zak is throwing a popper.
Going for some barra.
Yeah. Look at that crazy fish. Yeah. This one is for breakfast.
Oh, I see that, yeah. I just got a hit too. Yeah. Woohoo! Lizard! Got my first lizard fish, guys. Woohoo!
Zak got his first hookup.
Yeah.
A bigger lizard fish than the one I caught.
Look at that. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Yes, sir. My battery died just as I was bringing the camera to record him, but yeah, got one.
Got one. I think I got it on my camera.
Yeah, you should. Think you got it. Let it burn down some more.
Yeah. Get some coals.
Yep. You do this up there.
Yep. Shore lunch. Yeah, I take the clients out. So I guide
Yeah.
at the camp. So I'm out in the morning taking them out, and then at lunchtime we'll go back to one of the islands.
Yeah.
Cook up a lunch, some of the fish they caught, and then we'll go back out. It's fun.
Yep.
It's a good life.
Best life, bro.
Right?
Don't get fish fresher than that.
Oh no, exactly. And then I get to fish every single day too.
It's not better than that.
Oh man. I'm not complaining.
Some season.
All right.
Always have this in the car.
Always, yeah. Smart.
See, once I went out and I didn't have it, so this time I just put it in the car and leave it.
Yep. It's the car seasoning.
Yep. Fishing seasoning. As long as I'm going fishing and the car is with me, it's in there. My G, what you think, sir?
Delicious.
Good.
Delicious.
Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, so it's breakfast time. Casting session done for now. So we're gonna eat some food and then we'll probably pack up and move. Remains of breakfast, couple bones, that's all that is left. Always have to put out your fires when you make a fire, guys. Even though a seaside you're there, still have to put out your fires.
One.
Jack.
Want to go set the hook?
Yeah? Zach just got a hit. Broke his rod. That was a big one, bro.
That was a big one.
Yeah, that was a big...
Just broke it.
Your drag probably was too tight. No, that wasn't too tight at all.
I just went to set the hook and boom.
Yeah, that was a big fish, bro. Oh, man. You might be able to get it repaired, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I know a guy at home who can repair it.
Yeah. That was a good one though, bro.
That was in the fish. That was it.
Yeah, bro.
That was the one.
Yeah. Oh, man, and you only brought one. You could throw mine. It's gonna be fragile, yeah.
It's gonna snap.
Yeah. You could throw mine.
Alright. Damn!
I don't know if you wanna change the bait and put this on there.
Oh, okay, yeah. You got your...
Yeah. Permit on, guys.
That didn't take long.
No, that was like 2 minutes after I said.
Holy cow. Oh, bell flew.
That was like 2 minutes, bro.
This is like a carp.
Yeah, bro.
This is what they do.
That's the permit.
Permit.
Yeah.
Woo!
Like 2 minutes.
Woo!
Look at that.
Can't stop it. Look at this. I can't stop it.
Let him run when he's running, bro. Let him run when he's running. That's a massive one.
It's a big one.
That's a big one.
Can't stop it.
Don't want too tight. That's a massive one, bro. Look at that, guys.
I can't stop it. It's not stopping.
That's a tight drag as well. That's a tight drag. You'll get tired. You'll get tired.
Slowing down a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
That's a big permit.
Maybe not.
Holy shit.
Yeah, we're running out of line.
He's gonna pop it. He's gonna pop it. He's gonna pop the leader. That's a tight drag. Spool is hot, bro.
Yeah.
That's a big permit, bro. No, no, no. Let him run. Let him run.
He was coming back.
Yeah. That's a massive permit, bro.
You literally didn't even get the other rod out yet, did you?
No, bro. I literally just put it down out of my hands. Woo! Monster permit on, guys. Monster permit. This is a big one. Woo! He's taking off again.
Yeah.
As soon as he stops, you go ahead and reel him. Yeah, bro, you're doing well. You're doing very well, bro. Yeah, bro. Pump and reel, bro. Woo! How's that feel, man?
My arm's already getting there.
What did I tell you about the permits?
Amazing.
Yeah, bro. That was literally 2 minutes ago. I just set that line. He's running again. Straighten your elbow, bro. Straighten your elbow. Straighten your elbow. Yeah. Lift him up. Yeah. Lift him up. Yep. Lift him up. Lift him up. You get in line, bro. That was a monster run. This permit is probably 20 pounds or more.
You're halfway to Cuba.
Yeah? That's 200 yards of line on there. And look how much is gone. Hell yeah, guys. Woo. Look on the bend with the ponder right there.
Oh! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, bro, you're doing well, you're doing well. Woo! That's a massive permit run. You get in line, bro. You get in line.
Catching up.
Yeah, you get in some line. You get in some line. Just keep the tension. Keep the tension. This one we're definitely gonna need the gaff.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't think he was gonna stop. I didn't think he was gonna stop, bro. You don't get this feeling in Canada, huh?
No.
Nope.
Oh,
Yeah, bro.
that is a powerful fish.
That's a powerful fish.
Very powerful.
Bro, when I'm in my videos and I'm saying these fish are strong,
He's not lying.
they are strong, bro.
Holy
They are
cow.
strong. If I can't see it, we have clear waters now and I can't see it.
No,
So it's way out. It's still way out, bro. Look all the way out there. Almost to the reef. Look where the grass is on the line.
I see the grass.
You see the grass? That's how far it is. That's way out, bro.
I'm catching up to him.
Yep, you're getting some line. Hold him up. Keep tension. Keep tension.
I see he's splashing. There he is.
Yeah. There he is. There he is. That's a big permit. That's a hell of a permit. His head is up. His head is up.
Trying to ski him.
Yeah, his head is up. Keep him. He's tired. He's gonna take off another time when he comes in. When he sees you, he's gonna take off.
Okay.
Yeah. Once he sees you, he's gonna take off again.
Woo.
Your hands are tired. That's a massive permit, bro.
Like a 40-inch muskie wouldn't fight this.
No.
Holy.
trust me, when jacks are running, they run. What did I tell you this morning?
You told me, man.
Yeah, I told you, bro. When they hit, they hit. When they are hitting, they hit, bro. I can see him. I can see his side, but he's still far away out.
He's big.
He's big, very big. That's a tight drag, you know. That drag is really tight. He's coming, he's coming. He's gonna take off another time when he sees us.
I don't want him to.
That's a massive permit. This is gonna be the record for my channel.
Really?
This is gonna be the record. I can guarantee you that this is the record fish for my channel. I've never caught a permit this big.
Should I move down there a bit?
Yeah, you can come down here. Keep tension, keep tension, keep tension. He's still out. I can see him.
Yep.
He's about 100 yards out. No, he's about 50 yards out.
He's getting there.
I see him. You're tired.
I am too.
Yeah, his head is up. His head is up. What did I tell you about permits, bro?
Holy! Woo! Welcome to Jamaica!
Yes, bro. Keep tension, keep tension. There he is, he's going across. I told you we were gonna catch a freight train, bro. Did I tell you? I told you we were gonna catch a freight train. I told you it's a freight train of the sea, bro.
Freight train of the sea.
Yeah.
I guess.
Look at it. He's floating now, guys. He's floating. Just keep some tension on the line. Keep some tension. He's taking off again. Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. He's coming in. Just keep the tension.
Really just work him down, eh?
Yeah, once he's tired, but he still has some energy. When he sees us, he's gonna take off again.
Go! Get the gun out!
This is gonna be a record fish for this channel, I'm telling you. And that wasn't even 2 minutes after I set the bait.
Oh, you were going back to get
I was walking back to get the other rod and then it went. Where is he? Where is he?
over there?
Now stay where you are. We're bringing him right here. Just keep some tension.
He's on the rocks over there.
Where? Come, come, come.
Wait, he's coming. Yep.
Yeah, I see him, I see him. Come this way. Come right here, come right here. Keep the tension, keep the tension. There he is.
Holy, look at the
Look at the size of that, bro.
Look at the size of him!
Look at the size of that. Wow. That's a monster.
That's a big fish.
That's a big fish. You eating permit tonight?
Holy!
He's gonna try to take off again. Let him take off.
Okay.
Bring him in. I'll gaff him.
He's slowly swimming towards you there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bring him up some more. Bring him up some more. Holy shit, he straightened the hook.
No, he didn't. Holy
He
cow!
straightened my gaff, bro.
He's that big.
Yeah, he straightened my gaff. Bring him up again. The gaff is straightened, bro. Look at that. Where is he? He straightened my gaff, bro.
Big fish.
Big fish. That's a monster.
Let's tail grab him.
I can't. He's too powerful. I can't. He's tired though. He's tired. Bring him up. He's tired.
Still feeling a bit.
Come up again. You tired yet?
I am.
That's about 20 minutes now.
Woo.
Look at the shine, bro.
It's beautiful.
Shine, look at that. That's massive. Alright, bring him up again. I'll go back to this side. I'll try to gaff his head this time. He's turning back. Look at the tail on that, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at how big he is, man.
Come, bring him this way, bring him this way. There he is. He's seeing me. He's tired.
There you go, get him. Yeah!
Look at that, bro.
Yeah!
Look at that.
Holy!
Give me some of that.
Yeah!
Look at that, bro.
Right, man. Woo!
Look at that. You can't lift that up.
I bet you I can. Holy cow.
Look at that. Oh,
Woo!
look at that. What did I tell you, bro?
Holy!
You can't lift that up. I tell you, you can't lift.
Hook just fell out.
Yeah, it's a good thing we were. Yeah, it doesn't bite. Put your hand in there.
No teeth?
No, no. Look. That's 50 pounds.
No.
That's 50 pounds. I'm telling you. Lift it. Stand up with it.
That's on camera.
Wow. Look at that, bro. Jeez. Hold him up. Hold him on the clip. Hold him on the here. Hold him on the here. Let's see how big he is. All right, wait. Let me just get these lines off the rock. Shit, bro. I told you, this is a record for my channel. I've never caught a fish this big.
That is huge.
That is huge. That is huge, bro. That's a monster. Look at that. Hold him up. Oh, look at the size of that. Jeez. You want to take a guess how heavy? How big?
40.
I have a scale.
40 pound?
40 pound?
42.
Let's weigh him up. Jeez, bro. Oh, man. Where's your phone? Did you take it up?
Right there.
That's a heavy fish. We're gonna get a weight on it. Give me some of that, bro. Yes, sir.
That was awesome.
Yes, sir.
That was awesome.
That's how we do it, bro. You're tired, but you still feel the adrenaline, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
You've never been tired with a fish before, huh?
Not like that. Sometimes carp, they'll get you tired after
a few minutes.
After a few minutes, but like they'll stop eventually.
Bro, that was solid 20 minutes of pulling.
Yeah.
That was 20 minutes of pulling. You want to try again?
Might as well.
We're not keeping anymore though.
That's fine.
Yeah. Catch and release this time. Feel the lips. No teeth.
No teeth, yeah, no.
Absolutely no teeth. But if you go all the way back there's some
crunchers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you notice, as soon as you took it out the water, the hook fell out.
Yep.
So that's why I was telling you, keep tension. You can't, yeah, you have to keep tension. I don't know if we can lift it up by its lips. Might rip out. Alright, let's zero the scale. Alright, 0. Alright guys, scale 0. Alright, you can take the lift, bro.
Can we take it?
See your fish?
Alright. What are we at?
31. He hasn't stopped us yet. I think it's gonna be 31 though.
I'm coming 31.
Yeah, too heavy.
Holy.
I think it's gonna be 31. It didn't stop, but
Yeah.
it's 30. It was fluctuating 31, 32. So yeah. So we're still here chilling. We are waiting for another bite. Here's Zak. What you think, bro?
That was amazing. That was fun, man.
You don't get that up there, right?
Not at all, not at all. That was a hard fighting fish.
Yeah.
Like it ran 200 yards non-stop.
Yeah, that fish was
Full drag, full drag.
Tight drag, guys. Drag on that fish, on the reel was tight.
Tight, and like I couldn't stop it. There was nothing.
That was a freight train. I was telling him this morning that when permits are hitting, they hit real hard. I don't know if you believe me or what, but
I believe you now.
you believe now.
I believe you now, that's for sure. That thing was a freight train. Like
It was just going, bro.
Yeah.
It was going. The line was just whew.
I thought
and
it
it
was
was
gonna spool us.
Yeah, I thought
Yeah.
so. I thought so.
was
That's why
fun.
I locked the drag.
Yeah.
I thought so. Because when I saw the amount of line left on the reel, I knew that fish wasn't stopping. I knew that fish was. I was praying, bro. I was praying that it would stop. That's why I was saying keep tension, keep tension. I was praying that the fish would stop.
That was
But,
awesome.
Yo.
Still shaking. Still shaking.
Epic, guys, trust me. Epic, epic. If you don't catch another fish this evening, no problem. Cause guess what? The feeling, the excitement we feel. I didn't catch that fish. I didn't. But the excitement when I feel when I watch him fight the fish, it was, I can't explain it to you. The only way to really know what that feeling is like is to catch a fish.
Exactly.
Like
100%.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only true way to know how a fish like that feels. Because you can catch a fish and it feels nice.
Yep.
When you catch a 1 or 2 pound fish and it feels really good. But when you feel that power,
30-pound permit.
30,
Flying that way.
yeah, it was just power.
Straight line. Out.
Non-stop.
No.
Non-stop. That was epic, guys.
That
Trust
was
me.
fun.
That was fun.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, bro. No problem. Yeah, man. So we just there go and chill. We are going easy. We are wait for another bite. If we don't get another bite, we are go home and go cook some permit. Wow. That this fish is a prized fish for a lot of fishermen.
Really?
Yeah, especially the guys that do fly fishing.
Yeah.
Then it's a prized fish to catch.
Okay.
Yeah.
I fly fish in Ontario.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are guys who travel the world to catch.
To catch permit on the fly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any at all. Guys, Zak is stealing off the fish. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. That's a massive fish. What you say, bro?
Oh, I can't even speak right now. Oh.
We were walking. We were walking with the fish from all the way down there to come back up here. And trust me, that was a struggle. Had the fish on my shoulder and I'm out of breath. Trust me, I'm out of breath. It was heavy, man. We'll go back home now, go cook him up and drink some beer.
Some
Yep.
red stripe.
Good man, what you mean?
Good.
Phew. Yeah man, I just done chef up a thing. Yeah man, just done cook up and stuff. So we have dinner. So what's here? Alright, let's see if I can show you what's here. Light is a bit faint on this. So I have some roast corn this. Yeah, that's corn, butter, some rosemary, and this is honey mustard sauce. This is grilled fish. That's fried, and that's some pressed breadfruit, fried and pressed. Yep. So I knock off another one. My boys should have some dinner now. The light is going, so probably I gotta wrap up the video now and probably get Zak's final view. What you think, bro?
I had a great day. Awesome day, man. Like, look at this food. You can't beat that. Look at that. Oh. Definitely coming back to Jamaica. Definitely hooking back up with Dre. And we're going fishing again.
Definitely, bro.
Yeah.
Catching monsters. You did the record on this channel. Biggest fish caught, eh?
Next time's gonna be bigger.
Yep.
Yep.
Let's see. So yeah, guys, thanks again for tuning in. I'm about to have some food. I've been hungry. I was just waiting until I'm done cooking and then yeah, see if I can get some num-nums. So thanks again for tuning in and catch you in the next video. Send some love to Zak down in the comment section. I'll put a link to his Instagram page. You can find him on Instagram. He does a lot of fishing in Canada, so you guys will get to see some of what he does. Some ice fishing videos, some pike, some muskies, right?
Yep.
Carps. Yeah, you'll get to see all of that kind of fun stuff that Zak does. Zak is a fishing guide up in Canada, so you guys can see some of what Zak does. So yeah, thanks again for tuning in and spending the day with us. So catch you in the next video. Boom.
Hartman Adventures.
Oh yeah.